Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your work. Duplicate the sheet or save a copy, then select the exact cells to edit so you don't alter unintended data. Once done, press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. In Find What, type 0-9 to target any single digit. Leave Replace with empty to delete matches. Make sure you are working on values, not locked cells. If formulas are present, convert to values first. This gets you straight into editing without extra setup. Now run the Replace step. Click Replace All and check the count Excel returns. Because Replace finds single digits, repeat Replace All until it reports 0 to remove multi-digit sequences. Once done, remove leftover double spaces by selecting the range and using a helper column with equals trim, cell, and paste values back. Alternatively, for complex data, use Power Query. Load the table, add a transform step using Replace Values with a pattern. Then close and load. To finish, verify all changes, then save over the copy once satisfied. If you removed numbers from cells with formulas, convert formulas to values first to avoid breaking logic. Use copy right arrow paste special right arrow values. If Replace didn't work, check for sheet protection, merged cells, or cells formatted as numbers versus text. Those can block pattern matching. Finally, if patterns persist, use Power Query or a formula-based approach. This gives controlled, repeatable results and helps you roll back if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.